Turn boring text into captivating videos in minutes with Flexclip. First, head to flexclip.com and click on the text-to-video tool. You'll find it right on their homepage under Features. Now, paste your text or type it directly into the text box. This could be a blog post excerpt, a script, or even just a key message you want to convey. Next, explore the wide range of professionally designed templates. Choose one that best suits your text and the overall vibe you are going for. Think about your target audience. Flexclip intelligently matches scenes to your text, but you can easily customize them. Change the visuals by selecting from Flexclip stock footage or uploading your own. Customize the text, adjust the font, size, color, and position to make it visually appealing and easy to read. Animation can also add an extra flair. Add background music or even a voiceover to enhance your video. Flexclip offers a library of royalty-free music, or you can upload your own audio. Finally, preview your video, and when you are happy, click Export. Choose your desired resolution and format. That's it. In just a few steps, you've transformed text into a professional video. Try Flexclip today and start creating engaging content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video creation tips.